Hey guys, Curism here, back with a new video. Today we are going to do something different to our usual videos. In today's dunya, the topic of mental health is the one that needs to be addressed without attaching any stigma with it. Mental health is just as important as our physical health, and everyone has it, including me. In my opinion, it shouldn't be looked down upon, and we should do our best to take care of it. We all have issues in our life that affect our mental health and our mental well being, some of which include obstacles in our relationships with various people, whether they be platonic, romantic, or familiar. It's okay to have hope but not expectations. Whatever comes, let it come. Whatever stays, let it stay. Whatever goes, let it go. They can also include being overwhelmed at work or in your academic results. The loss of a loved one, such as a family member, can also leave a deep wound inside of you. The point being is that most people have stumbling blocks and misfortunes in our lives. There are numerous ways of solving or at least alleviating these issues, but I will only be discussing about two of these today. The first being practically and the second being spiritually through Islam. Practical ways of addressing mental health issues include counseling with a therapist or even just talking to a close friend or a family member. Can greatly help if you feel sad or under pressure. There is a quote from a movie that I once seen in which it said that हम इंसान हैं, pressure cooker नहीं, which translates to we are humans, not pressure cookers. So the point I am trying to convey here is that there is no point in taking in pressure. Make your life easy by being kind, humble, gentle and soft, and try to stay positive in every aspect of your life. Life isn't easy, it's tough, but not impossible. You are the one who make it impossible. And you have to make it possible or easy for you. You have to work hard, struggle hard, help yourself to solve your problems. God help those who help themselves. The second way of addressing these issues is through religiously, through namaz and Quran. I would strongly advise all of you watching this that if you have any issue whatsoever, you have any get closer to Allah. Never underestimate the power of dua. Allah is with you always in every situation. He is guiding you in the best way. He told us what's good or what's bad for us. Believe in yourself. Don't change yourself for others. Change yourself or for Allah. Have faith in Allah. There is an ayat in Quran which says, they planned, but Allah also planned. Surely Allah is the best of planners. अल्लाह जो हमें देता है, जो हमसे ले लेता है, उसी में हमारी बेहतरी है। अल्लाह तो हमें 70 माओं से भी ज़्यादा चाहता है। दुख दर्द परेशानी सब वक्ती है। अगर कोई चीज़ की वजह से आप अल्लाह को याद कर रहे हो तो जान लो अल्लाह आपको अपनी तरफ बुला रहा है। अल्लाह आपको अपनी तरफ बुलाना चाह रहा है। नमाज़ पढ़ो, उसकी तरफ जाओ, अल्लाह से मांगो, सब्र करो, शुक्र से काम लो। नमाज और दुआ कभी ना छोड़ो। किसी सवाल का जवाब नहीं मिल रहा तो कुरान में ढूंढो। सुकून नहीं मिल रहा तो सजदों में ढूंढो। परेशान होने से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ अज़ियत और तकलीफ़ के। अल्लाह से मांगो, सब्र करो और यकीन रखो अल्लाह तुम्हें हर वो चीज़ देगा जो तुम चाहते हो। I hope that I have helped and motivated some of you out there, and I hope you find sukoon and peace within our lives. There is an ayat which translates, فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Translation, so verily, with every difficulty, there is a relief. So at the end, I have included a few names of apps which hopefully will help you as they did for me. First, 7 Cups app, and second, Siratul Jinan app. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you very much.